Maxpedition finally released 2 pocket organizers that actually fit in a real pocket. Imagine that. They are the Platy Front Pocket Organizer and the Pico Pocket Organizer. It took me a while to review these packs. At this point, I've had them for about 5 months. It's hard to do a proper review on a product until a real use for the pack presents itself. I don't make reviews until the product has been used and integrated into my routine. I don't just accept all of the products that are offered, only ones that I will put to good use. I have been struggling to make a good portable knife care kit for a few years now. To date, all of them have been either too big or bulky. I wanted a small kit that could be easily thrown into my EDC backpack or a sling pack. One of the two go to work with me every day. Then came the Pico Pocket Organizer. Only the basics would fit. This kit is streamlined, but still contains all of the essentials for everyday knife maintenance. The kit in its present form has been in use for about 2 months now and has proven to be very handy when the occasional touch-up or adjustment is needed. The contents are the 711L Lollipop bit driver, 4mm bit adapter, 4mm bits in a 3D printed case, a cleaning cloth, cleaning sticks, 2 Band-Aids. You can't have a knife maintenance kit without Band-Aids. A 600 grit DMT diamond stone with leather glued on the back and 8 micron CBN compound, and knife oil. The knife oil was the toughest part to work out. I looked for a small, suitable container for a long time before finding this tiny dropper bottle. It is filled with my own mineral oil-based formula. To date, this has been the handiest knife maintenance kit that I have put together. It works just as well for camping as it does for my EDC pack. The Platy Front Pocket Organizer has become a quick grab-and-go EDC pack. It is handy when making quick trips out of the house, when I do not feel like loading up with my typical EDC gear. This little kit contains just the basics. It will also be used when I visit my parents in Florida over the summer. The zippered pocket on the back will make a good wallet, again, for just the necessities, such as a driver's license, credit card, and a little bit of cash. In the hot weather, I'll be able to just grab the Platy and go, dumping it as soon as I return. Let's take a look at the contents. First, we have a Buck 112. This is one of the lightweight slim models in 420 HC. While not the best steel, it is more than sufficient for a grab-and-go kit. Plus, it is highly rust-resistant. A while back, I tested MagnaCut in the ocean. I'll have to give this same knife, as well as a few others, the same treatment in the summer when I'm in Florida. Next is a pen. This is a compact zebra pen. They come in packs of 2 for about $5. If you enlarge the hole in the tip, a Right and the Rain refill will fit perfectly. It beats out high-dollar pens by a long shot. Pens are one of the items that tend to grow legs and go missing. I consider them disposable, and the price on these zebras fits the bill perfectly. The flashlight is an S5 by Tunang. It is a small light but packs a serious punch at 1400 lumens. I keep a channel sticker in the zippered pouch. It is kind of like a business card for my channel. Just add the driver's license, credit card, and cash, and it's all ready to go. Links for all of the items are provided down in the description. I have been using Maxpedition products for over 10 years. They have always been top quality and my first choice when looking for a pack. Check out some of Maxpedition's offerings. One of them just may be the perfect way to organize your gear.